What government grants help immigrants buy their first home? Imagine turning the key to a new house in a country far from where you started. Buying your first home can seem tricky, especially with limited savings or credit. Luckily, many government programs are here to help immigrants make that dream real. These programs focus on easing the financial burden by offering grants and assistance for down payments, closing costs, and better loan terms. One of the proposed federal programs is called the Downpayment Toward Equity Act. It could give up to $25,000 in cash grants for first-generation, first-time homebuyers. If you come from a socially or economically disadvantaged background, you might get an extra $5,000. This money can be used to cover your down payment, closing costs, or even real estate taxes. While this program has not yet become law, it aims to help immigrant families by reducing the upfront costs that often block homeownership. Another helpful program is the First-Time Homebuyer Act of 2024. It proposes a federal tax credit of up to $15,000. This credit can be used at closing to lower your down payment or closing costs. Alternatively, you can get it as a tax refund later. This makes it easier for immigrants who are renting and want to buy their first home. Some states are also stepping in to help. For example, California has programs that allow undocumented immigrants to qualify for home loans if they meet other requirements. These programs recognize the important role immigrant families play in local communities and aim to give everyone fair access to homeownership. The Federal Housing Choice Voucher Homeownership Program is another option. It provides vouchers to help low-income individuals, including immigrants, pay their monthly mortgage. This support makes managing mortgage payments easier and helps families stay in their new homes longer. FHA loans, or Federal Housing Administration loans, are popular because they allow buyers to qualify with lower credit scores and smaller down payments. Many immigrants who have built some credit can qualify for these loans. Some assistance programs, like the Chenoa Fund, offer zero-interest second mortgages to cover down payments. These are forgiven after you make consistent on-time payments. Local banks and agencies also offer grants. Some provide up to 3% of the home's purchase price or fixed amounts like $7,500. These grants do not need to be paid back and can be combined with low down payment mortgage options. For immigrants, building credit is very important. Good credit helps qualify for these grants and loans. It's also wise to budget for visa costs and moving expenses along with your home purchase. Checking each program's eligibility rules is key, as some requiring first-time buyer status or specific income limits. Talking to housing counselors or immigrant support groups can guide you through the process. In short, there are many options to help immigrants buy their first home. Federal grants, state programs, FHA loans, and local assistance all work together to lower financial barriers. Staying informed about current programs and requirements can help you access the support you need to reach your goal of homeownership.